Alright guys, hope you all are doing well. I was just listening to Spotify originals and you know I'm a Spotify fan. Anyway, I will just listen that later. By the way, today's video is going to be very exciting. You know I'm a browser guy and I just keep exploring a lot of browsers on my computers, and it's been like 1 week I was exploring a gaming browser for Mac. Really, a gaming browser for Mac. Not only for Mac, it's also available for Windows and also for Linux. I'm using the Opera GX gaming browser for Mac, and here's what I have to tell you guys about this gaming browser. Really? A gaming browser? Really? A gaming browser? So why, man? Why the hell in this world we need a gaming browser right now? Okay, what are the special things we get on this browser? What do you think? Let me tell. GX corners, RGB color themes, gaming vibe wallpapers, gaming tiles, animations, VPN that's like a proxy. Lol. It's not good, don't use it. Ad blocker and trackers blocker, better sound settings, and it's kind of a gaming vibe. It's also kind of a gaming vibe. RAM and network limiter, YouTube video pop out, and playback anywhere. These were the exciting features of this Opera gaming browsers. Opera GX gaming browser, it's exactly the copy of Opera browser that we all know, a scam browser. I just don't trust on it, and probably you guys also don't trust, but it's a gaming browser and we have to take a try. Like, in 2020, gaming is getting to another next level. Dr. Disrespect is also on YouTube. Shroud is also started streaming his videos on YouTube properly, and Ninja is also active. So 2020 is going to be very exciting for gaming with this coronavirus situation. Everyone is inside, and all of these things will get much popular. Gaming will be much popular because of this coronavirus things. No one will be able to get outside and everyone will start streaming. Anyway, let's talk about this Opera GX browser for my Mac. And I'm not a gaming person. I don't game on my Mac. I do my works on my Mac, and yeah, that's what I do on my Mac. Nothing other than that. Very little media consumptions, very little YouTube watching, sometimes Netflix, sometimes Spotify audio listening. That's it. Other than that, I just don't do gaming on my Mac. But I tried this Opera GX gaming browser as a regular day browser, and what I found, I'll explain. Okay, number one thing, GX corner. It's like a gaming corner where you can see the latest games coming on the market, or latest games available on the market, or even you can play some games and you will get games updates. And that's basically what this GX corner is all about. Nothing to freak out. We can get this information each and every day from our lovely YouTube. Opera is not needed, and even Twitch and Mixer maybe some days. Anyway, the next one is RGB colors. Without RGB colors, games are just incomplete. In order to get that gaming vibe, we need RGB colors, and that's what we get with these browsers. So everything on these browsers are color matched. You can just change the themes, the styles, the tiles, the animations, everything that's connected to color, we can just simply change it, and it is just kind of RGB vibes, and gamers like this RGB colors. I don't think a normal person who just want to use the browsers in a daily life need color. Even some streamers, gamers will say like it's getting overdone maybe, and I also think so. With all of these things, you need a gaming wallpaper, and Opera, you know, has also done that. On your browsers, you will get all the gaming wallpapers available, and those wallpapers are just amazing, awesome, and it's like gaming basically. All of those wallpapers are just a little bit of gaming salty, and they just looks like, okay, these are from the gaming world, and you'll feel that, okay, this browser is for gamers, serious gamers. Can't we download gaming wallpapers and put that on our regular day browsers? Can't we do that? Anyway, the next thing is gaming tiles. So in the home screen, you can see all these tiles. These are just gaming style. All of these tiles has a simple little cut at their edge, like those serif font cuts, and those looks just amazing, just like a little gaming vibe. Like everything on this browser is very little gaming vibe, and that's why this Opera GX is a gaming browser. That's it, nothing else. Anyway, you can also animate those those tiles we have on Opera's home screen. Even if you hover over them, you can get different kind of animations like pop out, jumping, and fading out. All those kinds of amazing animations, you can do them with your tiles, and that's for a little extra gaming touch. Anyway, the next thing is VPN, virtual private network. Yeah, we get this VPN also on the Opera browser, and it's kind of a proxy. It's not an actual VPN, it's kind of a proxy, and I just don't trust this. Like I just don't trust Opera by any chance. And this VPN, actually, I don't know if it is exactly working or not, whatever. I think I saw that it's working, but I just don't believe it. So it's just a mirror of that, like a proxy, not a VPN. So the connection is not that secure as a VPN. So I'll just better suggest you to go with another VPN, go with a real VPN, and it will be much better than using that Opera browser's crappy VPN / proxy. You got it? Yeah. Anyway, the next one is ads and tracker blocking. You know those annoying ads on my videos? You can block them, and annoying ads on every website, you can block them. Not only ads, you can even block all the trackers. So whichever website you are visiting, those websites keeps your data just to see like from which websites to which websites you're jumping, and then they can show you proper ads, and Opera just can block all those tracking things. I think those are really interesting because in Safari's new updates with macOS Big Sur, we are getting that tracker system disabling features. So Opera is just one step, not one step, like same to same with Apple's Safari's macOS 11 update. Okay, anyway, the next one is much exciting. That is the sound control. So we can control the sounds in many ways. Here you can see we have so many controls to just tune all of those settings, and we can get different kind of audio, one for mouse clicking, one for audio, one for microphone, and here you can see all of those are maybe very helpful, but I just don't know why it's very helpful. Maybe it could be helpful for gamers. As I'm not a gamer, I may don't know about those things, but if you are a gamer, please let me know in the comment section. Is it really helpful for you guys? Maybe you are a gamer, who knows, but I'm 0% game. With that said, guys, you can simply limit the RAM uses and also the network uses, means your bandwidth uses. You can limit the RAM to 2 GB, 3 GB, whatever you want to give, and you can also limit the network uses. I personally think it doesn't make so much sense. Like if I'm browsing on a browser, like in the Opera GX gaming browser, I want to browse something and it needs more resources on my RAM. So if I block the RAM and force block that, then that website will just not load, that game will not just open. So what is the meaning of having that RAM limiter? I just can't understand that properly. So whenever you are browsing a website, that website needs, for some reasons, for whatsoever reason, the website needs 3 GB of RAM, and you limited the browser to have 2 GB. How the hell that website will load? No idea. And talking about the network limiter, you can limit the network, like you want Opera to give only 5 megabits per second, only 10 megabits per second. Yes, you can do so, but again, I don't see any reason, because like you are playing one game, that game needs 10 gigabit per second internet connection, and you have given only 5 gigabits per second internet connection to your Opera browser. Then how that website will be able to run the game? I don't know, like for which reason this is helpful, for whatsoever reason it's helpful, please let me know in the comment section. Anyway, we're pretty much at the end, and the last one is YouTube pop-out playback anywhere. That means you can play back YouTube video while you're gaming, while you're doing whatsoever thing on your computer. You can just play that YouTube video, and that YouTube video will be in front of your eyes, like here I am, you just need to watch me. You just need to watch me, and I am the must watch thing for you. So whatever you are doing on your screen, the YouTube playback, that YouTube pop-out playback will be there for you. That means you can play games and watch videos, YouTube videos, and I don't think so anyone does that. Do you do that? I don't find any specific reasons. So the final query about this gaming browser for Mac, I will say no need. Exactly, there is no need of having that gaming browsers on a Mac. The Chrome, Brave, Safari, Mozilla, or Microsoft Edge maybe. But if you're a gamer and you just want to have that amazing vibe on your Mac, so that everyone sees on your Mac that okay, that browser is cool, yes, you're an amazing guy. Anyway, so if you just want that, you can definitely install Opera GX, and but I just don't trust Opera GX, so no more Opera GX from my side. By the way, it's still better than Chrome. Just remember that it's not as much resource hungry as Chrome, so it's still a little better than Chrome. So so you may want to use that instead of Chrome. Anyway, that is all for this one. If you guys really enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon, be sure to do whatever you want, because I just don't want to force you to subscribe, but if you just want to subscribe, you can definitely do for this cool, amazing looking, while looking, anyway, I don't know. Bye.